How to convert a photo to PDF on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'll be showing you how to convert a photo to a PDF file on iPhone. First off, we're going to want to go into our photos and select the photo you would like to import to PDF. You can select one or multiple. I'm just going to choose multiple to show you guys. Once the photos are selected, we'll click on the bottom left icon over here. Scroll down until you see the word print and then click into it. Then we're going to click on the icon on the top right corner. Scroll down until you see files. Then we're going to click on that. And then we're going to add a name to our PDF photo. I'm just going to rename mine PDF photo. Now we'll exit the photos and go into our files. You can see my file at the top right here. I'll click into that, and here are my PDF photo files. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like today. Bye guys!